Here's a 2015 Lexus GS 350. Its luxury and aggression will dominate your senses. This GS 350 is performance art at maximum speed. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, front heated leather sports seats, auto dimming mirrors, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, V6 engine, automatic with driver control suspension management, external memory control, dual zone climate control, adaptive suspension, auto dimming rear view mirror, and power with tilt down heated mirrors. Cars.com reports the new GS's impressive blend of nimble handling, quiet road manners, intriguing looks, and high-level interior seem like the perfect blueprint for the brand's future. Lexus, performance in every detail. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Experience luxury at its highest level. Conveniently located at 16100 Wayzata Boulevard in Wayzata, Minnesota.